Today we are going to make introduction videos for YouTube only on canva.com. The canva.com allows us to create YouTube thumbnail, any introduction video. So let us get quickly started with this. In canva.com, on the search bar, click on YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, a dashboard will appear. There are music video thumbnails, food thumbnails, and many options are provided here. There are various stickers that will also be provided, which will enable you to enhance your video. As you can see, now on the elements tab, you can type stickers, welcome. Many welcome stickers will appear. You just have to drag and drop the sticker and resize it according to your choice. Replace it anywhere on the dashboard. Similarly, there are any sticker that you can select. That is, now I have searched for stickers heart, so many heart stickers will appear that will help you enhance your video. You can also upload images from your PC. This is the logo of Not So Techy, that is my YouTube channel, and you can simply drag it onto your dashboard. Similarly, you can upload any image or any you can even upload videos, audios. Now I am going to start creating my intro video. I have dragged my logo. I can even change my background color to make it more effective. You can duplicate the page. As you can see, I have just duplicated the page. So there are two pages, that is a page 1 and the below one is the page 2. You can duplicate as many pages as you want as per your requirement. So I have created 4 pages, page 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can even change the position of the pages based on the arrow keys. Now I am going to add a sticker to my video of welcome. You just need to simply drag and drop. Resize it according to your needs. You can see there are so many stickers on the left side. It's not just about the stickers, but it is how you are going to make it or use it in order to enhance your video. Now I am going to add some more text. So there is a text tab which is present on the left side, and you just need to simply drag and drop and change the text like I'm changing. It says engaged. Sorry. It's welcome to my YouTube channel. You can change the handwriting, you can change the text into uppercase and lowercase. You can add spaces to your text. I have added spaces in order to make the text look at the center of the screen. Now I'm changing the color of the text in order to match the color of the welcome sticker. You can even flip the text based on the horizontal and the vertical positioning. Now I am going to add some sticker. Resize the sticker. And place it accordingly. So my second page is done. Yeah, this looks good. This is my page number 3. You can also add effects to your slide. Epic. I'm not going to add any effect to my slide, but to show you, yes, there are filters that you can apply. You can also animate. I'm going to select the animation name, breathe. Yeah, this looks perfect. Now coming to page number 4, that is my final page. You can even check how your video intro is created up till now. As you can see on the screen, I've completed welcome to my channel, and then comes the logo with the breathe effect, and the final page is still empty. If you feel that your video is going a bit slow, you can even change the timing. So I'm going to reduce my timing here from 5 seconds to 3 seconds, and then going to check again whether it is playing again with delay or not. Yeah, this is perfect. Since it's an intro video, it will be short. Done. I think we are good to go now for page number 4. Page number 3, page number 4. Yeah. From text tab, you can select whichever text suits your video. Change what is written in it. I'm going to write, if you like this video, please just for you will be changed to like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe. This looks good. I'm now going to add some stickers. Yeah, the stickers are my favorite part. Like, and quickly position it wherever you want to. Share, resize it and place it accordingly, and subscribe. Your video is almost done. Canva.com has made it so easy for beginners like us to create intro or outro video, and I feel that it is best option not even for beginners but for everyone in the YouTube community. Now I am going to play the video again. Yeah. Like, share and subscribe.